I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel your Flexshopper account. First, log into your Flexshopper account using your registered email and secure password. Then, go to the My Account dashboard where all lease and profile info is listed. Now click on the Lease Agreement section to view your active lease contracts. Verify all items are returned or fully paid off to avoid outstanding obligations. Call customer service at 855-353-9289 and ask to speak with a cancellation rep. Next, politely request cancellation of your account and all associated agreements. Ask them to send a written confirmation of account closure to your email. Here, check your inbox and spam folder to make sure the confirmation is received. Continue to monitor your payment method to ensure no charges recur post-cancellation.